Hey guys, Get Level here, and today I'm gonna show you how you can get lens flare on your smartphone so you can take epic photos and video.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle.
Now, what is lens flare? It's basically some sort of artifact that happens when a bright light is shining straight to your lens. If I turn on the flash on my smartphone and point it at the camera, you will see the lens flare, and you can see all the other little artifacts that it can produce. Now you might be thinking, I already have that, and how's that gonna look epic? There is a specific type of lens flare called the anamorphic lens flare because it refers to anamorphic lenses, and those lenses are used in huge Hollywood production. We even have a Hollywood director, JJ Abrams, who's very known for his use of lens flare in most of his movies. So all you need to know is that those lenses are super expensive. I'm talking really expensive, and the look of the lens flare they produce has been throughout time assimilated to huge production value and big budget and epic. And you're gonna be shocked once I show you how to actually do it with your smartphone, because it's very easy. Now for this example, we're gonna use my trusty Samsung Galaxy A5, and yes, it will also work on an iPhone. So the first rule when taking photos or video is to clean your lens, and the whole lens flare thing has to do with how exactly you clean it. I usually use my t-shirt. Keep in mind that using the front camera will give you a lower resolution than using the back camera, but this is just an example, so we're gonna use the front camera so you can see how the light actually affects the lens. I'm just gonna make sure this is recording. We're gonna sync it. It should be synced. I'm gonna open up the camera app, and as you can see, this is my face, and this is my red light, and this is my overhead light. We're gonna use those as an example. So believe it or not, all you have to do in order to get the lens flare is to actually touch the lens, preferably with a clean finger, from top to bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Just gonna swipe lightly, and I immediately get anamorphic lens flare. So every time you show a bright light, it will affect it. Now I'm gonna put that backlight down a little bit so you can see it with my DSLR. There you go. So now you can take some very cool videos, and you don't have to add it because a lot of people would add it in post. There's plugins in After Effects that are made just to add lens flare. You already have them. Now granted, you are smudging stuff on your lens, so you might lose a little bit of quality, but nowadays smartphones are so advanced and the camera quality is so good that it really doesn't affect it that much. Of course, we're in a studio, the lighting is not perfect for that type of environment, but if you're taking pictures at night and there's like lamp posts, and if you're in a convention and there's a lot of overhead lights, it's gonna look really good. So that's it. That's how you do it. Let me know if you would like to know more smartphone camera tips and tricks. I have a bunch of them, and I will make more videos, but for now I will put some social media up there, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Get Level out.